Jack.
John, ça c'est zanmim Jacques.
John, this is my friend, Jack.
John, ça c'est zanmim Jacques.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Sali, mwen kontan renkontre ou.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Sali, mwen kontan renkontre ou.
Nice to meet you too.
Mwen kontan renkontre ou tou.
Nice to meet you too.
Mwen kontan renkontre ou tou.
Mr. Jack, what do you do for work?
Monsieur Jacques, ki sa ou fait pour travail?
Mr. Jack, what do you do for work?
Monsieur Jacques, ki sa ou fait pour travail?
I'm a doctor.
Mwen se yon docteur.
I'm a doctor.
Mwen se yon docteur.
Where do you work?
Ki kote ou travail?
Where do you work?
Ki kote ou travail?
At Ram Hospital Center in New York.
Nan sant l'hôpital Ram nan New York.
At Ram Hospital Center in New York.
Nan sant l'hôpital Ram nan New York.
That's nice. How old are you?
Sa bel, ki l'âge ou genyen?
That's nice. How old are you?
Sa bel, ki l'âge ou genyen?
I'm 32 years old.
Mwen gen 32 ans.
I'm 32 years old.
Mwen gen 32 ans.
Excuse me.
Eskize mwen.
Excuse me.
Eskize mwen.
Hello, sir. I can help you.
Bonjour messieurs, mwen ka ede ou?
Hello, sir. I can help you.
Bonjour messieurs, mwen ka ede ou?
Yes, you can.
Oui, ou kapab.
Yes, you can.
Oui, ou kapab.
What do you need?
Ki sa ou bezwen?
What do you need?
Ki sa ou bezwen?
Your brother is here.
Frère ou ala?
Your brother is here.
Frère ou ala?
He goes to work.
Li ale nan travay.
He goes to work.
Li ale nan travay.
He works every day.
Li travay chak jou.
He works every day.
Li travay chak jou.
He doesn't work on weekends.
Li pa travay nan weekend.
He doesn't work on weekends.
Li pa travay nan weekend.
Are you coming to the party?
Eske wap vini nan fèt la?
Are you coming to the party?
Eske wap vini nan fèt la?
I'm sorry, I can't come.
Mwen dezole, mwen pa ka vini.
I'm sorry, I can't come.
Mwen dezole, mwen pa ka vini.
Because I'm sick.
Paske mwen malade.
Because I'm sick.
Paske mwen malade.
You go to the hospital.
Ou ale l'hôpital.
You go to the hospital.
Ou ale l'hôpital.
I went to the hospital.
Mwen te ale l'hôpital la.
I went to the hospital.
Mwen te ale l'hôpital la.
What the doctor says.
Sa dokter a di.
What the doctor says.
Sa dokter a di.
I have an appointment tomorrow.
Mwen gen yon randevou demen.
I have an appointment tomorrow.
Mwen gen yon randevou demen.
See you later.
Na we pita.
See you later.
Na we pita.